Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Let's start with opening the dialer, and let's start with the shortest code which will open the email info. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both email numbers and a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and let me show you another code which is quite technical. It will open the diagnostic mode provided by Google. It is *##426###. And there we are in the diagnostics. Let me tap on it to refresh it and here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. Also we can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status, and as you can see, we've got more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is also quite technical. It is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we've got the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. You can simply tap on the option. Here we've got more Wi-Fi options like the API configuration and the status. So just tap on it, you can refresh the stats and check the info, just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. You can also run ping tests here. Let's go back. Usage statistics, basically here we should have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. We can change the sorting type by usage time, last time used, or app name. It's up to you, of course. And the phone information, so here again, info about our device, like the email number, current network data, network type, or signal strength. Of course, be aware that in order to be able to check all of that information, you will have to have your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that is why we do not have this information. We can also run ping tests here. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.